Now let's check the theory part. 1a, solve the equation 3 over a minus 8 plus 2 over a minus 3 equals to 0. Solution. Here is the question. 3 all over a minus 8 plus 2 all over a minus 3 equals to 0. What do we do here? We are going to eliminate the fraction. So to eliminate the fraction, we are going to multiply this side, this one by this, while this one by this, then the 2 by this. We are multiplying this by this by this, then the 2 by this in order to eliminate the fraction. So we have 3, this one is multiplying, that is you cross multiply. So this one is multiplying this, a minus 3 close bracket plus 2 open bracket a minus 8 close bracket equals to 0 open bracket a minus 3 close bracket open bracket a minus 8 close bracket. So we have 3 times a will give us 3a minus 3 times 3 will give us what? 9 plus 2 times a will give us 2a. Don't forget this is minus. Plus times minus will give us minus. 2 times 8 will give us 16 equals to 0 times all this will still give us 0. So we collect like terms. We are collecting like terms. This is 3a and this is 2a. So this is plus 3a and plus 2a. 3a plus 2a will give us 5a. This one is minus 16 and this minus 9. So minus 16 and minus 9 will give us 20 minus 25 equals to 0. Are you following? Because minus 16, you are owing 16 naira. Let's take it as naira. You are owing 16 naira and you are still owing 9 naira. That means altogether, what are you owing? You are owing minus 25. So what do? You are taking this 25 to this side in order to get the unknown, which is a. So we have 5a equals to, once this crosses to this side, this minus crosses to this side of the equality, it becomes plus. So we have 25 because 25 plus 0 will give us 25. So we divide all through by 5. This one, 5 cancel 5, we are left with what? A. Therefore, 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. So our A is equals to 5. That is our final answer. Let's check the 1b. I subtract 10 from a certain number. I then multiply the result by 6. The final answer is 84. Find the original number. So let's do it quick one. Solution. So I subtract 10 from a certain number. We don't know the number yet, so we take the number to be unknown, which is x. So I subtract 10 from that unknown, that is minus 10 from the unknown. Are you following? So I then multiply the result by 6. So after you subtract 10 from the unknown, then you multiply the result by 6. So we are multiplying this result. Whatever we get here, we are going to multiply it by 6. So after then, the final answer is equals to is 84. So after I did all the estimate, the final answer is 84. So now let's work it out. This is the equation. So now we are using this 6 to bring out everything that is in the bracket. 6 times s will give us 6x. This minus, put the minus sign, 6 times 10 will give us 60 equals to 84. Are you following? Alright, so we are going to take this minus 60 to this side of the number so that this 6s will stand and at the end we'll get the result of the unknown. We have 6s equals to 84. Once it cross, it become plus. Since it has negative sign, it become plus here. So 6s equals to 84 plus 60 will give us 144. We divide all through by 6 in order to get the unknown. So our 6 cancel 6. Now we have s equals to 144 divided by 6. That is, how many 6 can I see in 14? I will see 2, right? Remember what? Remember 2. How many 6 can I see in 24? I will see 4. So right now my answer is 24. So we can check it. Once we check it, we are going to get this. Let's check. This is the equation. The equation is s minus 10 close bracket 6 equals to what? 84. So anywhere I see x, I'm replacing it with 24, right? So I have s here to be 24 minus 10 close bracket 6 equals to 84. Are we following? So 24 minus 10 will give us what? 12, right? 6 equals to 84. 12 times 6 will give us what? It will give us 84. So that means the equation is balanced. Now let's check question 2 of the junior waec question. Given the figure below, calculate the value of x. Use the diagram, state the Pythagoras rule. This is the diagram and they want us to find the value of x. And also they want us to state the Pythagoras rule. So I will just state the rules. The rule states that, the Pythagoras rule states that in right angle triangle, the square of this hypotenuse side is equals to the sum of the square of these two sides. And the two sides is opposite and the adjacent. So we'll just use that rule. Based on the rule, we are going to use it to solve this problem. So we can get our x. So here, which is the hypotenuse side, we said the square. So this is AB. We have AB square is equals to this AC square plus CB square. That is the rule of the Pythagoras rule. So right now we are not given AB square. AB square is x, right? So let's put it down. AB square. AC square. This is AC square. AC square is 8 square plus CB square is 6 square, right? So AB square is equals to 8 square is what? 8 square will give us 64. 6 square is what? 6 square will give us 36. So add it up. AB square is equals to 64 plus 36 will give us what? 100. So for this AB to stay alone, we are going to take the square root so that we can cancel this square here. We are taking the square root. So square root cancel square. We are left with AB. So square root of 100 will give us what? It will give us 10. That is our final answer. That means the S here is equals to 10 centimeter. Let's check question 3. Solve the simultaneous equation. This is the equation 3a plus b equals to 10 and 2a plus 4b equals to 0. Solution. You have 3a plus b equals to 10 and 2a plus 4b equals to 0. What do we do next? We have several methods in solving this kind of simultaneous equation. We have elimination method, we have substitution method, and we have graphical method. So I'll be using two methods to solve this equation, and we are going to get the same result. Firstly, I will use substitution method. So using from equation 1, from equation 1. Equation 1. This is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 1 now, this is equation 1. 3a plus b equals to 10. What do I do here? I want to make 1 the subject. So I will make this 1 that doesn't have a coefficient. I will make this 1, which is b, equals to 10. This one will go to this side. So once it comes to this side, it becomes minus 3a. So right now, anywhere, I'm going to take the second equation now. Anywhere I see b in the second equation, I will substitute it with this figure, with this particular equation. Are you following? So this is, the second equation is 2a plus 4b is equals to 0. This is the second equation. Now, anywhere I see b, I'm putting all this value inside it. So 2a plus 4, now my b is 10 minus 3a, right? 3a, close bracket, equals to 0. So I will open this bracket. 2a plus 4 times 10 is what? Is 40. Plus times minus will give us minus. 4 times 3a will give me what? 12a equals to 0. So let's collect terms here. So we have 2a minus 12a will give us 10a because you are owing 12 naira, 12a, and you have 2a. So pay the 2a, you will be left with minus 10a equals to this 40. I'm taking it to this equality sign. Let it come and meet here. So it will not change. This sign will change to subtraction, which is minus 40. So for this a to stay, I'm dividing all through by this minus 10. Minus 10 divided by minus 10. So minus 10 will cancel minus 10. We are left with a, right? So equals to minus 40 divided by minus 10. This minus cancel minus. How many 10 can I see in 40? I'm going to see 4. So my answer is 4. A is equals to 4. Now let's check for B to know the second unknown. I can pick any of this equation and I'm going to get my B. So I have, let me pick from equation 2. So equation 2 is 2a plus 4b equals to 0. So don't forget, we have gotten our a already. So wherever you see your a, replace it with 4. So I have 2 open bracket 4 plus 4b equals to 0. So 2 times 4 will give us what? 8 plus 4b equals to 0. So what do I do here? I'm taking this number to this side so that 4b will remain. So I have 4b equals to, once this 8 that is positive come to this, crosses this equality sign, it will turn to minus 8 because minus 8 plus 0 will still give me minus 8. So I'm dividing all through by 4 in order to get the b. So I have 4 cancel 4. B is equals to 8 divided by 4 will give me 2. It will give me minus 2 because of this negative sign. And then this one has negative sign. Negative will cancel negative, but it has only one negative. That's why we have minus 2. So B is equals to minus 2. So we have A. Therefore, A is equals to 4 and B is equals to minus 2. That is our final answer. In using substitution method, I got what? I got my A to be what? To be 4 and B to be minus 2. So I'm going to use elimination method here. So we have 3A plus B equals to 10 and 2A plus 4B equals to 0. So I want to use elimination method in this place. So what do? I'm going to multiply. Look at this equation. They are not the same because I want to eliminate. Eliminate means to remove or to kill. So right now I want to eliminate one out of this equation in order to get one of the unknown. So what do? I'm going to multiply this value by this, while this one by this. So I'm multiplying this equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So that will make it work very well. So we have the equation 1 by 2. That is equation 1, 2 times 3a will give me what? Will give me 6a plus 2 times b will give me what? 2b. 2 times 10 will give me what? Will give me 20. So I'm multiplying equation 2 by 3. This is equation 2. 3 times 2a will give me 6a plus 3 times 4b will give me 12b and 3 times 0 will give me 0. So right now, look at the equations. They are this first equation and second equation. If you check the a coefficient, they are the same. So what do here? I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2 so that I will get first unknown before going further for the second unknown. Now let's make this equation to be equation 3 while this equation to be equation 4. So we are going to subtract this from this one. So let everything here subtract equation 4. Equation 4 from equation 3. So what do? We are going to multiply minus at this side or minus 1. It will still give us everything will turn to minus. So minus times 6a will give us minus 6a. Minus times plus will give us minus 12b equals to, we have what? This is 0 already. Minus or minus, everything will be 0. So this is the minus and I'm going to subtract this from this. So this 6a cancel this because 6a minus 6a will give us 0, right? Plus 2b minus 12b will give us minus 10b because you have 10b, right? You are owing 12b and you have 2b. When you pay the 2b, you will still be owing minus 10b. So 0 minus 20 will give me 20, right? So what do I have here? 0 minus 10b will still be minus 10b equals to 20. So for this b to stay alone, I'm going to divide all through by minus 10. So minus 10 cancel minus 10, right? So we are left with b equals to 10 divided by minus 10 will give me minus 2. That is what I got in when using substitution method, right? So this is minus 2. That is what I got in b. So I'm going to pick any equation here to solve for my a. So let's pick the second one, which is 2a from equation. I can pick one. Let me pick equation from equation 1. So the equation 1 is 3a plus b equals to 10. Now let's substitute this value, which is minus 2. Anywhere I see b, I'm putting minus 2. So I have 3a plus, this is minus 2 minus 2 equals to 10. 3a plus, okay, plus times minus will give me what? Minus, right? That is minus 2 equals to 10. 3a, this minus 2 is going to other side, so it will turn to plus. So I have 10 plus 2. So 3a is equals to 10 plus 2 will give me 12. Now for this a to stay alone, we are dividing all through by 3. 3 cancel 3. A is equals to 12 divided by 3 will give me what? 4. That is very, very correct. So if you check the substitution and the elimination, what we got is the same. Now let's check question 4.